What I wanted to say is that I know many of the students are focused on winning and who gets the first prize. But to me, that's not what's important here. What's important is that the students get a chance to explore something new, which they won't do as part of their regular academic curriculum. And that's what we do as scientists. We look for interesting problems, whatever they are, and we work on them. And so that's what I would encourage the students to do, just to focus on what's interesting and learn as much as you can about it. And several students stopped me and asked me what books they should read and so on. And here at your level, what I would say is just read. Read anything, read widely, fiction, science fiction. I went into science because of science fiction. I went into astronomy because of science fiction. So read anything. And these days, there's also a lot of good podcasts. So I listen to things like the Nature podcast, Universe Today. And these are also, if you're going for a walk or running or whatever you do, or cooking, I hope many of the students are helping their parents cook. So just listen to a podcast, and it's a good way to pick up stuff as an easy level.